What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financier Pro. I'm going to do some videos with me and the camera, but I like being behind the scenes. But today I want to talk about Kikoff.com. This is something new I just found out about recently. And on Financier Pro, we upload personal finance, how to make money, things like that, side hustles. But I want to get more into credit building as well. And Kikoff.com, Kikoff, is something I think that's brand new because I can't find any information on it, but I learned about it in a secret credit group. So this is only $12 per year. You pay a dollar per month. I just signed up, so they haven't taken out anything out of my bank account. But I did not have to put a bank account or credit card, debit card, or anything in. They automatically charge $1 to your profile, and after that, you start building. They report to all three credit bureaus. So, here's a little bit more information about the company. You just sign up for an account, you get approved. $12 will be instantly credited to your profile, your account, and you pay back a dollar each month. So I believe it's an installment loan, but it's actually a trade line to help your credit profile, and this will boost your credit up as well. And I did have an account with Self, which used to be Self Lender. I just signed up with Credit Score, but I'll make separate videos about them as well. So let's see how it works. Lenders want to know you're responsible, so your installment loans or your pay history is like 35% of your credit profile. So the young lady that told me about this, she signed her and her mother up, and they went up like 50 to 100 points in 30 days. Everyone's credit is different. Your points might go up 20 points, but it just depends on what else you have on there. That's why I always recommend having at least a secure credit card or credit card, and just having positive credit. Make sure you stay below 30%, which I say 10% if you can, on your credit card. And this is basically almost like Self or Credit Score, but it's different. It's a different company. So I signed up with both of them. You can sign up with all three of them at one time if you want to. There's just great trade lines to have on your credit. They are legit. So we're gonna find out if Kickoff is legit as well, which I believe it is. It's only $12. I mean, you can't lose nothing with that. So that's basically it. This is like a Silicon Valley backed uh, funded company. So, and it you go to the bottom of their website, it says 2020 Kickoff Incorporated. So they just opened up this year. Let's see how it goes, guys. And I believe it looks like a great thing to do. I mean, you can't go wrong. Like I said, it's $12. You don't have to put in your bank account information, credit card, any of that, and no hidden fees. You probably have to put in your bank or pay that $1 later on, which mine is due uh, June of next month, June on the 11th. So I signed up yesterday, so it'll be due 30 days later. But they want to report that positive payment to all three credit bureaus, all three, and that's going to help out your FICO score and your Vantage score. FICO score is a real deal, guys. So yeah, credit score or credit strong, um, Self, which used to be Self Lender, and Kickoff, Kikoff.com. See you guys next time. Let me know what you think about it. And this is not a paid endorsement either. This is me boosting my credit up. And just know this is not a credit repair. This is a credit builder. So you need to still work on credit repairing your credit. Just know that if you get your credit repaired, you still need to settle outside of your credit report with those companies. You don't want them to sell to another company, goes back on your credit, or you don't want them to sue you. Yeah, a lot of repo, a lot of car companies, they will sue, especially in these times now. We dealing with this virus. They know people getting stimulus checks. They are going to sue you. So please settle, get your credit right. See you guys next time, Financier Pro. Please subscribe to the channel and a free podcast. See you guys next time.